Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix user not found on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Encountering an Instagram user not found can be very frustrating, right? But of course, there are several potential reasons for this issue. And number one is to always double check that you have entered the correct username of the Instagram account. For example, I'm gonna search in because typos or misspellings can lead to the user not found error. All right. And the next thing that's the common reason for that is the user might have been deactivated or deleted their Instagram account. In this case, there's nothing you can do to fix it as the account no longer exists. Now, sometimes it happens if you have been blocked by the user, you'll see user not found when trying to access their profile. Unfortunately, if you have been blocked, there's no way to fix this from your end. Instagram may suspend the user's account, and if the user's account has been suspended, you'll see user not found, all right? Now, sometimes if you're using the web version like this one, you might want to try a different browser. Right now, I'm using Google Chrome. So if the user not found is appearing on your Instagram, but you're still friends with the person, you might want to try like Brave, Edge, or other like Safari to see if it's not the reason why it's happening, all right? Now, the next option is when you go to your Instagram app, I need you to click the hamburger menu at the upper right corner and click on the settings and privacy. And from here, I need you to hover down where it says help. And of course, just click on the report a problem. Now from here, just include and continue and try to explain your reason why you are contacting the Instagram support. And that is, all right. And you can also add some supplemental screenshot if you want it and click on send. Alternatively, once you are on the your mobile device, if you are an Android user, go to app management, go to app list, and from here type in Instagram. And I need you to go to storage and cache, clear storage and clear cache, okay? And also, of course, delete the user data because from here it resets the information on your Instagram app and try to reinstall again your app. Now, I suggest when you do that, make sure that you will download the latest version of the Instagram app on your mobile device, all right? Now, click on it and try to reinstall. If you're consistently seeing the Instagram user not found message, again, it's going to be one of the most reasons of the account has been deleted, you're blocked, and you're trying to access the profile from a different device or network, or sometimes they may help the issue to be resolved. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.